Hi everybody, I'm Carolyn with Norcross, Madagascar. Welcome to, I think this is our fourth day of Crystal Christmas, and today probably one of our best economical gifts we have. Personally, me, I love my wines, so these things are the best gift ever. I've given them to everybody, so I don't want any of my friends to watch this and find out how truly economical and inexpensive they are, because yeah. Karen, this one here, I love Labradorite. Sorry, I'm trying to get everybody doing everything. You can see how the amazing crystal is on here, and I think you can see the flash. This one, I mean, I really don't have to do anything. I know we have a water bottle somewhere, but this guy does not need it at all. It is gorgeous. And this one is one of the rough ones, and we have, this is obviously Labradorite, we have agate, we have yellow jasper, we have indigo gabbro, we have rhodonite. I'm going to start dropping things. Yep, we have amethyst. And we have, I'm going to try to get it just because now it's a challenge, septarian, or zebradorite, sorry. But we do have septarian too. We have all of our stones in this. These are the rough ones. And these things, they're so cool. They're only $5. I mean, how can you not want that? And the Labradorite, I'm always going to the Labradorite. And this piece is absolutely gorgeous. If you don't want a rough piece for whatever reason, we got you. This is our polished one, and you can see exactly how that flash goes. Of course, always the Labradorite's amazing. And we have apatite and yellow jasper and a gorgeous rose quartz. Oh my God, this one's absolutely gorgeous. The amethyst is really pretty. The rhodonite, what else do we have? I'm gonna really start dropping these. I can't do this anymore, but it's like a little, you know those 5-packs of lollipops you get? I think I just put them in my kids' stockings. But these are the polished ones, and these ones are only $8. The only difference is the apatite, the amazonite, and the amethyst, what we call our AAA. Those guys are $2.50 more. But still, $7.50 and $10.50, you really can't. I'm gonna move, I brought in some candy canes. So those are gonna be missing from the table tomorrow because they look really good. And keep in mind that we will have the little velvet bag because these do fit in it. Any of our products during the 12 crystal days of Crystal Christmas are gonna come. If they fit in the little velvet bag, you're gonna get one as well. That's gonna be our gift to you. But the prices on these are absolutely wonderful. So you really can't go wrong when you're getting one of these. And I mean, the presentation is really cute with the bag, and the present itself, I mean, personally, I'm not familiar with the leftover wine concept, but from what I hear, people actually do that. Some people don't finish a bottle, which makes me think maybe I have a problem, or maybe I just throw really good parties. Take your pick. But anyways, for these, starting at $5, going to just $10.50, you really can't go wrong. It's an amazing present, really well thought out, because everybody, at least I know, loves wine. And we do ship priority mail, so you can get these well before Christmas and put these as stocking stuffers. You can use one of our really cool rough on bases to hold your great stockings, and you can just put it in the stocking in front and kind of tie everything in if you wanted to. But give us a call at 520-882-8884. or shoot us an email at sales@madagascarminerals.com. We'll be more than happy to get one out. This one I did forget to mention. We do not have a lot of these guys, but these are our Ammonite ones. And these are so pretty. This is one of our Ammonites, and this fits on there as well. We will be showing a little bit later on in the 12 Days of Crystal Christmas our keychains. We do have magnets, we do have finials for the top of lamps. All of these are interchangeable. So if you see any of these and you're interested and you want to switch out, maybe you want to get a couple, or you decide I want to use this for my bottle stopper. I want to use it for my keychain. I want to use this as a finial for my lamp. They are all multi-fit. Some of the new ones do come without the ability to transfer them. So make sure if you're gonna order and you do want that feature that you ask us, and we can get you the ones that you can multi-fit instead of the ones that are secured and glued on. Once again, our phone number is 520-882-8884. Our email is sales@madagascarminerals.com. Give us a call, shoot us an email. We are open Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 4:30, so that's when we will get back to you via email or phone and order some of these amazing, amazing presents. Thank you so much for joining us for day 4, and we will see you tomorrow for day 5.